Hi, today I'm going to explain how to find sine, cosine, and tangent of an angle in a triangle. So first of all, I'm going to draw a triangle, then I'm going to label it. So this is the hypotenuse, and it doesn't matter how you label the others, so I'm just going to label it as A and B. Oh, before we continue, just going to explain how I found the hypotenuse. It's pretty simple. It's just the opposite side of the angle 90 degrees, the right angle. So just a quick tip. The next thing we need to know is SOHCAHTOA. So the O represents the opposite side. The A represents the adjacent side. And the the H represents the hypotenuse. So what this is the ratio of sine, cosine, and tangent. So for example, the opposite side goes on top, and then the H, it's divided by the H. Then it's the same for this, A over H, then O over A. It's kind of confusing right now, but I'll try to explain it more. So I'm just gonna make an example of this. So let's call this angle Y. And let's find the sine of angle Y. So the sine is the opposite over hypotenuse. So side A over hypotenuse. That's sine of Y. Then for cosine, it's the adjacent side, and this is the adjacent side because it's touching the angle. And so over the hypotenuse again, hypotenuse doesn't change. And then tangent or TOA. So it's opposite over adjacent. So it's A over B. Okay, I'm going to give you a practice example. So you can pause the video and try to solve it your own. I'll explain how to find this. So cosine of x. So we need to say SOHCAHTOA, and since it's cosine, we need to use cos. So what's the adjacent side of angle x? The adjacent side of angle x is 3 because it's touching the angle. So 3 over the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is 5 because it's the opposite side of the right angle. So it's 3 over 5. It equals the cosine of x. Okay, hope it helped.